Hi, my name is Nick with Sentinel Security Solutions. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a battery in a Power G contact. To change a battery in a Power G contact, you will need a flathead screwdriver, and you'll go to the bottom side where there is a notch located and put your screwdriver in and twist. Then you'll do the same on the opposite side with the same notch. You'll then pull from the bottom up and slide contact out. The battery is a CR2450.
Take it away.
Then you will take your screwdriver and pop battery out and replace with a new one. Snap battery in, and then you will place the contact at the top and snap the bottom in. And that's how you replace a battery in a Power G contact.